My name is Jimmy Clark. I work for Bucci Industries, and I am the Business Development Manager. We sell automation equipment, bar feeding, and live tooling. The bar feeder helps to automate the process so you can have longer run times, unattended run times, to help the customer be more productive. As we all know, our labor market has been stressed for a couple of years now, and in order for us to compete with the world market, automation is the way that customers have to go, and they have to look at automation seriously. And we offer an opportunity to get into automation at an economical price point. You just got to look at your workforce and the price that you pay for labor and finding that labor. What's it cost to actually hunt employees and hire them and train them? When automation equipment, like a bar feeder, there's no hiring it, there's no taking breaks, it just runs unattended. So if you factor in the cost of a bar feed versus an actual human loading and unloading manually, it's much more economical. The best part about working with Okuma is their goals and our goals align with each other. They're very customer focused and want to provide the customer the best opportunity for their application and the best product for that application. They're very customer driven, and that's the same goals that we have, is to make sure the customer is 100% satisfied. Working with Okuma, they provide us with the information we need so we can provide the correct bar feeder for the customer. Without that information, it's hard for us to provide the customer with the best solution. When Okuma provides the information we need, it allows us to better service their customers. So the technical part is something they provide to us in order for us to be able to align the bar feeder to the right lathe and incorporate it into the process.